Let's talk to Wilson Leung. He is the Chief Market Strategist for Trendsetter FX. Very good morning to you, Wilson.
Good morning, Nick.
Okay, we've got two slides you've kindly sent. Let's kick off without further ado. The euro, US dollar, the daily chart. What are your observations here?
Well, Nick, you can see that the euro has been boring for the last 8 weeks until last Thursday. Price had a downside break, as you can see from the daily chart. So it shows that the decline from this year's high in February at 125.55 has once again resumed, and the measured downside objective on this current down move due to the Turkish lira rout, I reckon is 112.55. So my recommendation is that you sell on today's dead cat bounce anywhere around 114 in the middle level of 114, and then and go for this 112.55 downside target. But note of caution, and you can see from the daily indicators, they are showing bullish convergences, the MACD and RSI. So I think that we're not going to see a free fall on the euro dollar. And I think downside for the week would be limited to 112.50-60 then. So that's my take for the euro in the next coming few days.
Understood. Let's move on to the weekly charts. What are your thoughts on the weekly chart?
Well, you can see that you need to look at the bigger picture, that the euro has been rising for 1.5 years, actually. It started the move in January 2017, a 14-month low at 103.41, all the way to this year's high, 125.55. So we're going to retrace this move, and the measured objective, I think, is around 112 even. So that's just above the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement at 111.87. So looking ahead, I think the pivotal and psychological support 110 would be very important. As long as the euro holds above this 110, we will see a strong rebound at the end of the year. So my recommendation is to sell the euro anywhere around the mid 114 for this downside target at 112. And on the upside, which applies to the daily positions, if we close on a weekly basis above 115, then this means that the decline that we have been seeing from this year's high has probably made a low, and then we will see a good size rally back to 116, 117. So put a stop loss above 115 even and 115.50 for the medium term. So that's my recommendation on the euro, Nick.
Wilson, on that note, that was very clear. Thank you for your thought-provoking strategies. That's Wilson Leung, the Chief Market Strategist from Trendsetter FX.
Thank you.